Hello guys, hello everyone. Hello to my channel and thank you for watching this video. Um, Today we will present RMZ City two models. One is Porsche 911 Turbo 3.3 and second one is Audi Quattro from 1980. Both cars looks really amazing outside, so we will check her out what are look like inside, actually interior. So please join me in this video. Also you can see me at TikTok, Diecast, Skycrow, and Facebook account Diecast Skycrow. So first of all, I will put this car out of the box. So I will unbox them, and let's start to show inside. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now I'm unboxed these both cars, and let's start to check it out. How they looks like outside and of course interior. First of all, as you can see, the Porsche 911, it's not Porsche, it's Porsche 911. Aerodynamic, as you can see, these two bumps and this gentle line for air. So when the car in high speed, this is aerodynamic lines help him to go through the air and goes faster as he can. Yeah, these wheels are very good execute. I'll show you this. Outside of wheels is not plastic, it's rubber, and I'm satisfied with that. Most cars actually do this with a plastic, but this RMZ City Porsche 911, it's actually rubber, and it's pull and roll. So I will show you. Yeah, it's pull and roll. From behind, as you can see, this part this made of plastic. It's also for air. Air go this way and go through this part, and it's helped him to go moved through the air. You know, there is no resistance of air when he have this one and this aligns. So everything this side helps him for aerodynamic speed. Here, over here, we can see the designed letters of Porsche. Just like has original one, Porsche Turbo, and it's 911. Okay, let's see inside. Oh, side mirrors, look at them. Maybe it's much better if something silver they put over here. That's my opinion. Maybe will be much better if something silver stuff just put over here, and I think that's gonna be much more better. Let's see inside. Oh, nice, nicely done. Yes, everything is recognizable, everything is here. You can see every part inside of this car. Really beautiful. door are quite good execute. Yes, I'm satisfied. Alright, let's see if in front side, okay, nothing special, but it looks like original, totally looks like original. Yeah, I can see the mirror on top of the roof. Let's see inside again. Yeah, this is a mirror top of the roof. That's inside the mirror, and that's cool. That's cool touch. Okay, so we have a car. Both sides of doors can be open. Pull and roll system. Rubber around the wheel, and everything about this car, it's really, really nice. So I'm satisfied with this one. Let's check it out, another one. Okay, let's say second one. This is a gift. This is a gift of my friend You Better Collect. He has a channel, You Better Collect. For you better check this channel up and subscribe to my friend. I'm grateful if you do that. Let's help him to evolve. Let's help that channel grow up. So check it out. You better collect and subscribe. Thank you. Actually, he goes to visit Bosnia, and in Bosnia he find this car, and he said, when I saw this car, I remembered you, especially because this special color. You can see the silver color. And another thing is special about this car, it's his sign. From the start, it's really bold, and when this recognizable how this sign goes to the end, these circles are more lighter, and also wheels are made of rubber, and I like that, and pull and roll system, that's really good. From behind, it's really nice, really good execute. Look at those lines, and everything is like on original car. You see Audi, the sign, and sign Quattro. Everything is same, just like on original car. And here you can see these ones. Yeah, it's beautiful, very beautiful. Exactly, it's looks like a real one. But okay, from in front, same as original. Yeah, look guys, look at those lights and the sign, just like original. Okay, also mirrors can be a little better execute. Okay, maybe it's my opinion, but I expect a little bit more of that mirrors. But let's see inside. I'm okay. Okay, good, very good, nicely done. Such as in Porsche 911. Here also I can see everything inside of this car. So this car interior is also very well executed. Look at this. Yes, I'm satisfied with this. Back seats are also good. Okay. From other side, almost you can see command board, everything on it, including a radio. Yeah, really good execute inside. Also, this is not a rubber, this is a plastic, but this is wonderful, wonderful. And this is for gas. Okay, I'm really satisfied also with this model, especially because of this color. Color is a special one, and this is really beautiful car, really beautiful car. Okay, now I finished with my presenting of both cars. So please comment, share, and tell me which one is your favorite, Audi Quattro or Porsche 911 Turbo 3.3. RMZ City is a really good manufacturer, and I'm satisfied with everything when I buy. I'm talking about this line, you know, this line, the special line of collectible cars. This is a really good manufacturer, and I'm becoming a fan of RMZ City. So thank you one more time, and please you can visit me on Facebook, you can visit me on TikTok. Don't forget subscribe, don't forget like, don't forget comment, and don't forget visit my friend You Better Collect. This is a gift from him, and he's a really nice guy. Thank you very much. Bye bye.